Hi everybody, this is Jenny from By Jenny Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to work up a very easy ear warmer pattern. I have two examples here. One is made with bulky yarn and one is made with worsted. For the video I'm going to be showing you how to work up the bulky version, but I'm going to also give you the instructions on how to make a worsted weight version. So today I'm going to be using Lion brand roving tweed yarn. You can use pretty much any bulky 5 yarn. You're going to also need a size L 8mm crochet hook, a darning needle, and a pair of scissors. Okay, before we get started on the pattern, I just wanted to really quick show you a couple more examples in different yarns and colors. So this one right here, this is all bulky version here. This one is Lion brand roving tweed, which is what we're going to be using today, but in a different color. This one right here is I Love This Chunky Yarn from Hobby Lobby. And then this one right here is Big Twist Arcade from Joann Fabrics. And then over here on this side for the worsted weight version, we have Red Heart with Love. And then these two are both Hobby Lobby's I Love This Yarn. And if you're going to be working on the bulky version, you're going to need about 70 to 75 yards per ear warmer. And for the worsted weight version, you're going to need about 115 to 120 yards per ear warmer. Okay, so I will get this all cleared out and then we can start the pattern. Okay, so we're going to get started now. I'm going to be working up the bulky version on camera, but I'm going to also give you the instructions to do the worsted weight version. So for the bulky one, you need a L or 8mm crochet hook, and for the worsted version, you're going to need a size J or 6mm crochet hook. So to begin, make your slip knot, and for the bulky version, you're going to be chaining 16. For the worsted weight version, you're going to be chaining 23. So go ahead and make your chain. Okay, I have my chain of 16. Now you need to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So this right here is your first chain from the hook, and this will be your second. Go ahead and single crochet into that chain. Continue to single crochet into each chain across. Okay, now I'm here to my last chain and I'm working my last single crochet of the row. So there's your first row completed. For row 2 and all remaining rows, you're going to chain 1, turn your piece over so you can work on the opposite side, and you're going to single crochet into the back loop only. So this is your back loop, this is your front loop. You're going to single crochet in the back loop and leave the front loop unworked. Do this all the way across. Okay, I just have 2 more single crochet to work here. And there you have it, your first 2 rows. And now every single row after this is exactly the same as row 2. I'll show you one more time. You're going to chain 1, turn your piece over so you're working on the opposite side, and then single crochet in the back loop only. Work your way all the way across and repeat. Now for the bulky version, you're going to be working 46 rows, and for the worsted weight version, you're going to be working 62 rows. When you've completed all those rows, come back here and I will meet up with you to show you how to join the ends. I'm just working my last couple single crochet here. Now this is row 46 for the bulky version. If you're doing the worsted weight version, you should be finishing with 62 rows. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to join the ends together. On this side, go ahead and twist the piece, and then we're going to hold the ends together like this. And we're going to be working a slip stitch all the way across, but we're only going to be using one loop on this side and one loop on this side. So we're going to be using the loops on the right side here and the loops on the left side. So do not use your chain one here. Instead, go into the first stitch just using this loop, and then grab this loop over here. You see that? Yarn over, pull through both of the loops to make your slip stitch. Okay, so for the next one, same thing. Grab this outside loop, go through the next loop on the other side, just on the outside. Yarn over, pull through both loops, and then pull through the loop on your hook. Continue to do this all the way down. Okay, I've got one more slip stitch here. After you work your last slip stitch, you can fasten off, so just yarn over, pull through. Now the only thing left to do is to sew in your ends. Just go in here with your needle. And I like to go back and forth 3 times. So there's 2. And 3. And you can go ahead and do that for your other end. And then you have your completed ear warmer. And you can also, you can sew this down if you want your twist to stay in one spot, but I kind of like the flexibility of moving the twist where you want. For example, like on this one where there's multiple colors, like maybe in the front, instead you want the blues to show more one day. But then you can change it and have the twist here where the oranges and yellows are. It's totally up to you. Here is a really quick shot of both ear warmer versions on the mannequins. I kind of like to wear the twist to the side, but you could wear it to the front too. Alright, well, thanks so much for watching and crocheting along, and I will see you soon.